Have you ever doubted yourself, felt overwhelmed by life's challenges, or wondered how to cultivate a deeper sense of self-confidence? In today's fast-paced and often unpredictable world, finding inner strength can feel elusive. The constant pressures of modern life, whether personal, professional, or societal, can shake even the strongest foundations of self-belief. Yet amidst this whirlwind, there exists a treasure trove of ancient wisdom, a philosophy that has stood the test of time and continues to guide countless individuals toward resilience and inner peace. Welcome to our channel, where we delve deep into timeless philosophies and provide actionable insights to help you live your best life. Today, we're shining a light on the transformative power of Stoicism, a philosophy that originated over 2,000 years ago, but remains incredibly relevant in the modern age. Stoicism is more than an abstract idea. It's a practical guide for navigating life's challenges with grace, clarity, and strength. Through this video, you'll uncover practical techniques inspired by the Stoics, tools that can help you build resilience, master your emotions, and unlock unshakable self-confidence. Imagine having the ability to face obstacles with calm determination, turn setbacks into opportunities for growth, and live with a sense of purpose and assurance that is not easily shaken. Stay with us as we explore how the timeless wisdom of Stoic principles can empower you to rise above self-doubt, embrace life's uncertainties, and cultivate the inner strength needed to thrive in any situation. By the end of this journey, you'll have actionable steps to transform your mindset and lead a more confident, resilient life. Let's begin. 1. Understanding Stoic principles for modern confidence. Stoicism, a philosophy born in ancient Greece over 2,000 years ago, isn't about being emotionless or suppressing feelings. It's about understanding what truly lies within your power and cultivating inner strength to navigate the inevitable challenges of life with grace and resilience. At its core, Stoicism emphasizes virtue, reason, and acceptance. Imagine Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and a renowned Stoic philosopher. He ruled during a period of immense turmoil, wars, political intrigue, and personal loss. Yet, amidst the chaos, Marcus found solace and strength in Stoic principles. His personal reflections, recorded in meditations, reveal a leader who maintained composure and clarity by focusing solely on what he could control: his thoughts, actions, and decisions. He understood that external events like political conspiracies or military setbacks were largely beyond his influence. Instead of succumbing to anxiety or anger, he focused on cultivating inner peace and making virtuous choices. This focus on what's within our control is a powerful antidote to the anxieties of modern life. In our fast-paced world, we're constantly bombarded with information and faced with a constant stream of distractions. This can leave us feeling overwhelmed, stressed, and lacking in self-confidence. Modern research supports the Stoic emphasis on inner strength. Mindfulness practices rooted in Stoic principles have been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and increase self-awareness. Cognitive reframing, the ability to reevaluate situations and shift your perspective, is a core principle in both Stoicism and modern psychology. By learning to identify and challenge negative thought patterns, we can cultivate a more positive and resilient mindset. 2. The power of self-control, cultivating mindfulness and managing reactions. One of the most powerful aspects of Stoicism is its emphasis on self-control. It's not about suppressing emotions, but about understanding and managing them. Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher who began life as a slave, famously said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Let's consider a real-life example. Imagine receiving harsh criticism at work. Without self-control, you might react defensively, becoming angry, or feeling deeply hurt. Your confidence might plummet, and it could impact your performance. However, a Stoic approach encourages a different response. It invites you to pause, observe your initial reaction, and then choose how to respond. Stoics practiced negative visualization, imagining worst-case scenarios to prepare themselves mentally for adversity. This isn't about pessimism. It's about proactively building resilience. By mentally rehearsing potential challenges, you can develop a more robust inner strength. Practical exercises can help you cultivate this self-control. Journaling allows you to identify triggers and patterns in your reactions. Meditation helps you observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment, increasing self-awareness. By practicing these techniques, you can gradually develop the ability to respond thoughtfully and calmly to challenging situations, rather than being swept away by immediate emotions. This increased self-awareness and emotional regulation are crucial foundations for building unshakable self-confidence. 3. Embracing the present moment. Living in the present moment is a fundamental Stoic principle. The Stoics believe that dwelling on the past or worrying about the future only distracts us from what truly matters, the here and now. They taught that by focusing our energy on the present, we can live more meaningful and fulfilling lives. Consider the story of Seneca, a Stoic philosopher who faced exile and political persecution. Exile stripped him of his position and possessions, thrusting him into a life of uncertainty. Yet, instead of succumbing to despair, Seneca embraced his new reality. He used the time to write, reflect, and contribute some of his most profound philosophical works. In his letters to a friend, Seneca emphasized the value of embracing each moment fully, regardless of external conditions. He wrote, "True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future." This mindset resonates in modern life. Take the example of a young professional overwhelmed by the demands of work and life. By practicing mindfulness, such as deep breathing or mindful walking, they can regain focus and clarity. Deep breathing helps reduce stress by activating the body's relaxation response, while mindful walking encourages awareness of one's surroundings and thoughts without judgment. Another practical application of this principle is the 5 senses exercise. This involves pausing to identify what you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel in the moment. For instance, while sipping a warm cup of coffee, you might notice its rich aroma, the warmth of the mug in your hands, and the comforting taste. Simple practices like these anchor you to the present, easing the burden of past regrets and future anxieties. When you focus on what's within your control, you free up mental energy, reduce stress, and enhance your ability to make confident decisions. 4. Developing resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, and it's a skill that Stoicism teaches us to cultivate. The Stoics believed that obstacles were not setbacks, but opportunities for growth. They saw hardship as a training ground for strength and character. Take the inspiring story of James Stockdale, a U.S. Navy officer who was a prisoner of war for over 7 years during the Vietnam War. Stockdale endured brutal treatment and isolation, yet he survived with his dignity and willpower intact. How? By applying Stoic principles. He focused on what he could control, his thoughts, actions, and mindset, and reframed his suffering as a chance to demonstrate courage and integrity. Stockdale's ability to maintain purpose and perspective turned one of the darkest periods of his life into a testament to human resilience. Closer to home, consider the story of Sarah, an entrepreneur who faced repeated failures while building her business. Each setback tested her resolve, but she embraced the Stoic belief that adversity is an opportunity in disguise. By reflecting on her challenges, she identified areas for growth and improved her strategies. Over time, her persistence paid off, and she achieved her goals, stronger and more confident than ever before. You can build resilience by challenging negative beliefs and focusing on your strengths. For example, when faced with self-doubt, try journaling about past challenges you've overcome. Reflecting on those experiences can remind you of your capability to handle difficulties. Additionally, practicing gratitude, like listing 3 things you're thankful for each day, shifts your perspective from scarcity to abundance. For instance, a teacher who feels overwhelmed by work might pause to appreciate the students they've inspired, the supportive colleagues they work with, and the small victories in their classroom. Another powerful tool is adopting a growth mindset. This means viewing failure not as a reflection of your worth, but as a step toward improvement. Think of Thomas Edison, who famously reframed his numerous failed attempts at creating the light bulb by saying, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Finally, remember to celebrate small victories. Whether it's completing a challenging project, resolving a conflict, or simply showing up on a tough day, acknowledging your wins, no matter how small, reinforces your belief in your ability to overcome challenges. These moments of recognition fuel your confidence and help you build a foundation of resilience that can withstand any storm. 5. Taking action for confidence. Building habits and celebrating success. Action is the foundation of confidence. Without action, even the best intentions remain unrealized. As the Stoic philosopher Zeno famously said, "Well-being is attained little by little, and nevertheless is no little thing." This means that consistent effort, no matter how small, leads to significant change over time. Building confidence is no exception. It requires taking deliberate steps to shape your life in alignment with your values and goals. Consider the story of Lisa, a graphic designer who dreamed of starting her own business, but felt overwhelmed by self-doubt. Instead of trying to tackle everything at once, she broke her goal into smaller, manageable steps. Her first action was to research how to register a business. Next, she began networking with other freelancers for advice. Each small step, from designing her website to landing her first client, boosted her confidence and momentum. Over time, Lisa's belief in her abilities grew and she successfully transitioned to full-time entrepreneurship. Similarly, think of someone training for a marathon. They don't start by running 26 miles on day one. They begin with manageable distances, gradually increasing their endurance through consistent practice. In the same way, building confidence involves setting realistic goals and breaking them into actionable steps. For instance, if you're working on public speaking, start by practicing in front of a mirror, then move on to a trusted friend before addressing larger audiences. Each small victory builds upon the last, creating a steady foundation of self-assurance. The Stoic practice of negative visualization can also be a powerful tool. By imagining potential obstacles, you can prepare strategies to overcome them. For example, if you're preparing for a job interview, visualize difficult questions you might face and rehearse your responses. This proactive approach reduces anxiety and enhances your readiness to succeed. Developing positive habits, such as daily journaling or meditation, reinforces self-control and mindfulness. Journaling helps you reflect on your progress, recognize patterns, and gain clarity about your goals. Meditation fosters a sense of calm and focus, enabling you to stay centered during challenges. For instance, Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, used journaling as a daily practice to examine his thoughts and intentions, which helped him navigate the immense pressures of leadership. Finally, don't underestimate the power of celebrating your successes, no matter how small. Each achievement, whether it's completing a task, overcoming a fear, or sticking to a habit, strengthens your belief in your capabilities. Imagine a student learning a new language. Each time they master a word, form a sentence, or have a basic conversation, they're building a deeper sense of confidence. Celebrate these milestones by acknowledging your progress, sharing it with loved ones, or rewarding yourself in meaningful ways. Confidence is not a destination but a journey. By consistently taking action, developing positive habits, and celebrating your wins, you're building a reservoir of self-assurance that empowers you to tackle challenges with courage and clarity. As we've seen, Stoic philosophy offers timeless techniques to build resilience and self-confidence. By embracing these principles, you can navigate life with clarity, strength, and purpose. Whether it's mastering your emotions, living in the present moment, or taking consistent action toward your goals, Stoicism provides a blueprint for thriving in any circumstance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable insights. Your support helps us create content that inspires and empowers. Join our growing community of Stoic learners and discover how this ancient philosophy can transform your life.